Sa Chlós.
Tá na páistí sa chlós, tá gach sort cluiche siúl inniu. Tá grúpa amháin ag immert pelle, tá grúpa eile ag immert kisfelle. Tá Lucy agus a carde ag skipáil, tá cúpla páiste ag immert chlas na bacóide. Tá a lán páistí ag ri.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cá na páistí. Ceiste dó. An bhfuil grúpa amháin ag immert rugby. Ceiste trí. An bhfuil Lucy ag skipáil. Ceiste cathair. An bhfuil cúpla páiste ag ri.
Okay, this is called Sa Chlós, so in the yard. And here are the children in the yard. So, tá na páistí sa chlós. The children are in the yard. Tá gach sort cluiche siúl inniu. There's every sort of game, cluiche's game, siúl going on inniu is today. Tá grúpa amháin ag immert pelle. So one group is ag immert pelle, playing football. The boys here tá na buachlaigh immert pelle. Tá grúpa eile ag immert kisfell. So there's another group ag immert kisfell. There's another group playing basketball. Tá Lucy agus a carja ag skipball. So here's Lucy and her carja, her friends, ag skipball. And then there's tá cúpla páiste ag immert clas na bacóide. So there's a few children playing hopscotch over in the corner. And then tá a lán páiste ag ri. There are a lot of children ag ri, which is running. Okay, so let's have a look at the questions. So for your questions, make sure to put your title up the top. So, Sa Chlós. So, cá bhfuil na páistí? Where are the children? And the answer is tá na páistí. Where are they? They're in the close. They're in the yard. Ivra do, number 2. An bhfuil grúpa amháin ag immert rugby? Is one group playing rugby? Well, níl grúpa amháin ag immert rugby. There isn't one group playing rugby. Ivra 3, number 3. An bhfuil Lucy ag skipáil? Is Lucy skipping? Tá Lucy ag skipáil. And number 4. An bhfuil cúpla páiste ag ri? So there's two ways of answering the question an bhfuil. You can say tá, like in question 3, or you can say níl, tá and níl. And in this case, níl cúpla páiste ag ri. There aren't a few children ag ri. Tá a lán páiste ag ri. There are a lot of children ag ri. There's a lot of children running.